What if I told you there are AI tools that can help you ace your exams and make learning easier? Let's start top 5 AI tools for students. Tool number 1, ChatGPT or DeepSeek. First up, DeepSeek or ChatGPT. This AI-powered chatbot is your go-to for explaining complex topics, brainstorming essay ideas, or even practicing for exams. Just ask, and it'll break down concepts in simple terms. Perfect for last-minute study sessions. Tool number 2, Grammarly. Next, Grammarly. This AI tool is a lifesaver for essays and assignments. It checks your grammar, spelling, and even tone, ensuring your work is polished and professional. No more losing marks for silly mistakes. Tool number 3, Quizlet. Number 3, Quizlet. This app uses AI to create personalized flashcards and quizzes, helping you memorize facts, formulas, and definitions faster. It even adapts to your learning style, so you focus on what you need most. Tool number 4, Otter.ai. At number 4, we have Otter.ai. This tool transcribes lectures in real time, so you can focus on listening instead of frantic note-taking. Plus, it's searchable, making it super easy to review key points before exams. Tool number 5, Wolfram Alpha. Finally, Wolfram Alpha. This AI-powered computational engine solves math problems, generates graphs, and even explains scientific concepts step by step. It's like having a personal tutor for STEM subjects. With these AI tools, you'll be unstoppable. Whether it's writing essays, memorizing facts, or solving complex problems, these apps have got your back. So what are you waiting for? Start using them today and ace those exams. Try these tools and transform your study game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.